Even before this global pandemic, Nevada has continually experienced a significant shortage of qualified, competent healthcare workers in every profession, including nurses, physicians, radiologists, and even information technicians. This situation is reflective of a national global phenomenon.
Then came COVID-19. The shortage of our frontliners is also exacerbated by the shortage of personal protective equipment like masks and face shields. Nevada is home to a good number of healthcare workers of Filipino ancestry. As your Queen Universe Philippines in Nevada, I felt the need to extend help in any way to show support for modern day unsung heroes, the medical frontliners.
With my medical and patient care experience, I have designed a face shield to respond to the growing needs of innovative PPEs, and I called it iCareFaceShield. This is reusable and can be easily cleaned, and its primary purpose is to reduce transmission of infection between patient and care providers. So next, we're going to be showing them how to make this iCare face shield. Well, I'll give you a little background. Face shield has been used in the hospital, but only in special procedure. Now with the COVID coming in, it's a very vital piece of PPE for our frontliners because it actually protects them. So my concept was to design a face shield that can sustain even in the staff. I mean, even the staffers will use it in the hospital. So I went around and looked for materials that can sustain even if there are closures due to our protection directives for the COVID. So let's start with identifying material. But usually this is how it is. It actually has a foam in the forehead and covers the whole face of the frontliners. And not only that, each individual. And that's why it's very helpful
and it's very
at home.
stylish.
Yeah, very stylish with the color. So let's go ahead and identify our materials.
So these are the materials: elastic bands or garter, glue sticks, transparency film, and noodle floaters.
And these are all the equipments we need, Ness. One, we have to have a measuring tape. And then we have, of course, the scissors. Then you could use any drivers. I mean, Phillips drivers, just because we push it in. And various sizes or just one of the cutters. So, and the most important thing is that it glues it all together is our hot glue sticks or glue gun. So first, Ness, is we need to cut the floaters or the pool noodle. Make sure you cut about 12 inches. That's enough around here.
Gotcha.
You want to make sure that you divide it into 4. So that's why I have this one. You divide it into 4.
That's a good idea.
You will have 4 of these cut pool noodles. Each one is actually one shield already.
So how are you going to do this one?
You can fold this a little bit so that there will be a rounded edge so that it will not stick into anybody's neck. So all you got to do is make a little round and put it there on the side.
Oh, wow.
Right?
Okay.
And now we have this, and I'll use this one of the 1/4. It's so easy now because you just have to make a little hole about 1/2 inch from the edge using your cutter. Can you please hand me the garter, the smaller one? So now you need the garter
or elastic band.
The elastic band. So all you got to do is to put here to the edge where you made a hole. Push using your screwdriver there, and then to make it more sturdy that's when you need this. You glue gun here, then you fold. Make sure you glue gun also the opposite side. right?
Perfect.
Now it sticks.
Gotcha.
All you gotta do is
Do the opposite.
do the opposite. See? You do it there. Yeah, you can do
Let
it.
me
Yeah,
do it.
you can do it. Now, we are into the final part
There you
there. Now you have this round thing where it fits here. All you gotta do next is, I'm gonna stand it.
Okay.
Then we could put a glue gun here. You can hold it there. I'll put a glue gun, a glue there. Another glue to the end. So it would look like this.
Wow.
And then
That's
stick
so
it
easy.
here. There you go. Then you will have a face shield.
This is just one way of caring for our community. Our recipients are hospitals and long-term care facilities in the valley. Mga kababayan, we need your help. We are accepting donations in kind like glue sticks, swimming floaters or noodles, elastic bands or garter, and transparency films. Get in touch with us through the information flashed on the screen.
Magbayanihan tayo. Maraming salamat po.
Mabuhay!